Welcome to Nextools channel. In this video, we will guide you through the installation and configuration of the A/B Check app in your store. By the end, you'll be ready to launch your first payment method experiment efficiently. Quick heads up, switch to HD for the best viewing experience, activate the subtitles, and hit subscribe so you never miss our tutorials. Let's begin with a brief overview of the A/B Check app and how it can help optimize your checkout process. This is the A/B Check dashboard. You can monitor API health, review activity logs, and manage your experiments from this central location. The navigation menu gives access to all key areas of the app. A/B Check allows merchants to run controlled experiments on payment methods, helping you identify what works best for your customers at checkout. Next, let's walk through the steps to install the A/B Check app in your store. Start by navigating to your app store, look for A/B Check, and install in the store where you want the app. Accept the scopes required by A/B Check. These include access to customer and order data, which are necessary for accurate experiment tracking and analytics. These permissions allow the app to monitor checkout and order creation events through webhooks, ensuring that each payment method variation is properly tracked. Once installed, let's proceed through the onboarding process and select the appropriate subscription plan. On the onboarding screen, you'll see a checklist of steps to help you get started. This includes an introduction, selecting a plan, enabling the required extension, and creating your first experiment. You can choose between a monthly or annual plan. Annual plans offer a discount. Development stores are exempt from charges as highlighted in the notification banner. After selecting your plan, approve the subscription to activate the app's features. You will also have a free trial period to evaluate the app. Once your plan is active, enable the required app extension. This ensures full functionality for running and tracking experiments. A/B Check is now installed and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tips on A/B Check. See you in the next video.